Hello YouTube, today I'm at Spirit Ford taking a look at this 2022 Ford Ranger XLT. This guy has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission. The exterior is forged green. It's a really unique color in my opinion. And it does have the Splash edition on it as well, which I'll go over as I go over the vehicle, and I'll show you it on the window sticker. So starting off up front, you have your halogen and incandescent headlights, Splash edition Ford Ranger grille, two-tone bumper, forged green, and then this silver. There is a metal skid plate underneath, front parking sensors, as well as your integrated tow recovery hooks. Coming around to the side, we have this nice plastic fender flare. This does have the FX4 off-road package. Really nice black 18-inch wheels. Some hand-cooked Dana Pro ATs. There are 265/60R18. Cab length running boards. Your Ranger XLT badges right here. Black mirror caps. This guy does have blind spot monitoring. Black door handles. Coming around to the back, we have your FX4 off-road badging. LED tail light with your blind spot monitor right there. Color matched rear bumper with parking sensors integrated into the bottom portion. 7-pin and 4-pin connector. Just like its big brother, the F-150, Ranger is stamped into the tailgate. You get the backup camera right underneath the Ford logo. Again, FX4 badging. Capless fuel fill port. Keyless entry system. Really unique color. I'm not 100% sure if this is new for 2022 or if it's been out, but this is definitely the first one I've seen. Let's take a closer look at the interior. So this vehicle literally just came off the truck, so there is still some wrap on some things, but I'll do my best to go over what I can. Starting off on the left-hand side, we have the window controls for the vehicle. The driver window is automatic up and down. Got your door handle as well as your lock and unlock buttons. Rotary dial selector for the exterior lighting of the vehicle, as well as the dimmer switch for the instrument cluster. And then right to the right of that, you have your cargo lamp light. Above that, we have your mirror controls. Working our way up to the instrument cluster, we have your tachometer on the left, speedometer on the right, and a tiny LCD screen in the middle. Coming back to the steering wheel, leather wrapped with very mild bolsters at 10 and 2. On the left side, we have the control pad for the center LCD display. And then below that, we have your cruise control buttons as well as your adaptive cruise control. Over on the right-hand side, we have the steering wheel mounted controls for the radio. And then under that, we have your steering wheel mounted controls for your calling, as well as your settings button and home button for the touchscreen display. Storage tray up top, touchscreen down below, very responsive. It does not have the stuff that like you're gonna find on the F-150 with like all like the zone lighting and stuff like that. I believe that's gonna come out on the next version of the Ranger. However, you are gonna get navigation. You can go through your phone and all that. Pretty cool. Under that, you have your hazard light button, physical buttons for the radio, dual zone climate control with heated driver and passenger seats. One 12-volt for the driver, one 12-volt for the passenger, two USBs down there and a storage tray slightly above it. Because this is an FX4, you are going to have your trail control, which is like a cruise control for off-road. Rear locking diff, which I believe stays locked up until 15 or 20 miles an hour. This is your tow haul mode, parking sensors off, traction control off. We have your rotary dial for your transfer case, including your terrain modes. Push this button to keep cycling through, which pops up on the LCD display. Pretty cool. Gear selector with manual plus minus. Two cup holders. Smaller style center console. And again, because this just came off the vehicle, it hasn't even really gone through PDI yet. The vehicle is still in transport mode, but you do have cloth seats in here. Glove box is going to be right here. Ranger is stamped into this portion of the vehicle. Coming up top to the vanity it is non-lit for passenger as well as your driver. You have a 3-door or glass of storage, I should say. LED dome map light control and an auto dimming rear view mirror. Overall, I really do like the interior of this vehicle. I like the Ranger. I am very excited for the redesign. I really hope that they bring over the European style Ranger to the States because that looks absolutely amazing. Same with the Everest. If you don't know what those are, go to Google, look them up. They are very, very sporty, aggressive looking vehicles. With that being said, let's take a closer look at the back seats and see how much legroom we have. So I already know I'm not going to be able to fit back here. I'll just go over the features. Under seat storage, this whole bench does fold up, giving us access to some storage behind here. 2 USBs, 110 volt, 150 watt power outlet, storage tray right here. This center seat does have a fold down armrest / cup holder. And you have a manual sliding rear window. Integrated hanger hooks and grab handle on both driver and passenger headliner, as well as your LED dome map light. It looks like they also are including some floor liners too. Let's take a look at the bed. So to open the tailgate on this vehicle, you're going to come up to it and pull it. It's not assisted, so be careful. It does have a drop-in bed liner from the factory, and it looks like it has 3 tie-down points on each side for a total of 6. Putting it back up, slam it shut, and you're good to go. Let's take a quick look at the window sticker. Here's the window sticker for this guy. I'll go over the key features because there is some tint on the glass. It's a 2022 Ford Ranger XLT Super Crew 4x4 with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost and a 10-speed transmission. Exterior color is forged green. Standard equipment's going to be right here for a standard base price of $35,690. Optional equipment's going to be right here in this square. Most notably, we have the 302A equipment group for $2,450, FX4 off-road package for $1,295, and then your Splash Forest Edition for $600, bringing the total MSRP to $44,315. Fuel economy rating is right here. This vehicle is rated at 19 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway for a combined fuel economy rating of 21 miles per gallon. Let's take a quick look at the towing and payload placard. Here's the towing and payload placard on this vehicle. Just keep in mind that it may vary slightly depending on packages that you see with Rangers on your dealer's lot. Also, the microchip shortage is affecting things right now, so some packages may not be available, so you may have a slightly higher or lower payload and towing capacity. I want to give Spirit Ford a huge thank you and shout out for allowing me to come to their lot and do a video walkthrough of this vehicle. If you're interested in this vehicle specifically or any of the 2022 Ford lineup, I will be posting all the contact info in the description below. Let Cheryle Yaros know you saw the YouTube video and she'll be more than happy to go over all the discounts, rebates, and incentives you qualify for. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like and share. Also, be sure to check out all the affiliate links in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.